Hi, I am Amelia, and I am a second year high school government and geography teacher at the district of USD 460 in Heston, Kansas at Heston High School. There I coach tennis both for boys and girls at the high school in the spring and the fall. I am also the student council sponsor at the high school. As far as leadership positions go, I sit on the Authentic Literacy Board, and I also sit on the Social Studies Curriculum Board as well. Why do I want to be an administrator? As of right now, I don't see myself being an administrator in the near future. Considering I'm only a second year teacher, I really want to get more experience in the classroom. But being in this program has really taught me a lot and opened my eyes to a lot of things. And I truly have a passion for education and making it better all the time. And I would really like to do that one day through being a leader in a building. And so one day I really hope to do that. I'm very excited about the spring weather and the temperature rising and the days getting longer. So I'm excited about that, and I'm excited to learn with all of you and hear what you all have to say. Thanks.